Alrighty, hello everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can play in the practice tool 5v5 with your friends on the PBE server. Alrighty, let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to open up a web browser and I'm going to type in this search address. Alrighty, I will have the link in the description down below for you so you don't have to type all those in. Now, we go enter, we click right here, click here and here. It was kind of hard to find, and I found out that China had done this a long time ago, and so I decided to use some of their software. So I'm going to go ahead and press save, and we are going to launch it. Right, and when you do launch it, it's going to say, are you sure you want to launch this software, simply because it doesn't have a publisher. But in actuality, there is a publisher, and I'll have the link in the description for the source code for this entire thing. So I'm going to press run, and we can now exit out of our web browser, drag this over here. Perfect. Press play, create a custom game. None of this stuff really matters because we're not actually creating like a custom game like how it normally is. I'm going to press confirm, and we're going to press invite. All right. And here is where the magic happens. Now, we go over here, and we click here to try to find the league client we want to be calling. And it's going to be in Riot Games, PBE, league client. Perfect. And once we've done that, notice right here, Shokanion's PBE game, we're going to be changing that to League Lobby 5v5 practice tool. Perfect. So now that we are here, but we still have the invite box open, we simply click who we want to invite. I'm going to be inviting myself because don't worry about that. And send invites. Alrighty, now I'm going to show you what is happening on the other side of the computer. So I'm going to go over to my other computer real fast. Alright, and this is also on the PBE, and we're going to accept this invite. Alrighty, perfect. So now we are both in a practice tool lobby. I am right here and right here. Okay, so we're going to go back over to our main client. Going to press start game. Alright, and we're going to pick people. It doesn't really matter who, just for the example. Go ahead and do Ash over here, and I will have a link in the description to sign up for the PBE. It's not very hard, and usually I think most accounts are going to be all good with that. So while this is loading, so now we have here our Ash. We can control her. We can also have access to all of these tools. So we can level up, teleport to cursor, and we're going to teleport all the way to the other side of the map, right? And if we look here, we have our other person. So when we go over here, okay, and we can control our Anivia, add gold, give her a ton of items. Perfect. And oh my gosh, that didn't even one-shot her. Okay, but you get the idea right here. So if you enjoyed this, go ahead and leave a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment. And also, what do you think Riot is going to do now that this information is becoming a little more publicly available? Will they A, do nothing? Very, very possible. B, quote-unquote, patch this so that we can't do this anymore? Or will they C, actually try to make this a possible thing for everybody, even on the live servers? Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and have a great rest of your day. And I will be making a ton of league content like this in the future, so stay tuned. All right, bye-bye. Yo, listen up, here's the story of all about a viewer who would just view, and all day and all night, everything he'd do, just view, without subscribing. Subscribe, oh please subscribe, oh dear God subscribe,